What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sue about to do this 90s glam hair do. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching, boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have another everyday beginner friendly unit. Today's unit is by Myfirstwigs, and this is definitely an everyday beginner friendly type of unit. This is so easy to apply, so easy to curl. As you can tell, like, it's not super full. It's giving every day, okay? And it's giving me auntie vibe, okay? It's giving me, I have my stuff together. I work in a well corporate job, okay? My boss likes me. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's what it's giving, all right? So the unit does come with some bangs. You don't have to leave the bangs if you don't want the bangs. It is a 13x4, I believe. Don't quote me. I will have all the information pop up right here on this unit, all the specs, as well as all the information in the description box. So make sure you check that out if you want more details, if I forget to say anything in this video. The lace is brown girl friendly. It does blend in with our skin really, really well without having to do a whole lot. Now, if you want, you can totally make this glueless because of the way it sits on the head. Now, this unit could be worn totally glueless. You do not have to glue this down. And for that technique, all you would have to do is cut off the ear tab, tighten up the elastic band in the back so you have that tension across the forehead, and it will lay perfectly, because I noticed that when I did put it on, I felt like I could totally turn this into a 100% glueless unit. But I did go in and like stick it down just on the sides, and then in the top of the unit, I use my melting spray, the Ebin melting spray, and there's no foundation in there. Like, that looks really, really good. The knots are bleached. Like, everything is done to perfection. There's no plucking, there's no nothing. Like I said, it did come with these bangs, and I decided to keep it because I think it's super cute. Like, just the light fray of bangs and the swoop to the side, like, it's giving grown woman, okay? It's giving grown and sexy, all right? So make sure you check out Myfirstwigs. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. Without further ado, let's get right on into the styling of the video.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, oh, love you better, love you better, better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, love you better, better. Love you better, This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody
so that's basically it. Super easy to style, like done in minutes. All right, and it curls really easy. Now the curls did drop a little bit because I went on to do my makeup and film like my makeup video and stuff like that, but still there's a lot of curl in there. Like this is just a great everyday wear to work type of unit. This is so pretty. It just reminds me of like my aunt back in the 90s, you know, like it reminds me of her for some reason, you know, like this is just, it is so pretty. It is so pretty. Beautiful length, beautiful layers. Like there's just not a lot to do with this. Like I said, you could totally turn this into a 100% glueless unit, which would make it even more easy for you to throw on. Just throw it on and go, and for that all you have to do is cut off the air tabs. Listen, I'm not going to talk too long, so make sure you check out Myfirstwigs. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box, and shout outs to them for sponsoring today's video. Y'all already know if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on hair, and they really do have some good hair, some good density every day for the woman who is not trying to do too much but really want to look good and polished. Like these are the units for you. Okay, anyways, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. And follow me on all of my social media platforms. Listen, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media platforms, share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon.